Alright, this is a video about my 2012 Jeep Wrangler. It's mostly going to be off-roading clips. I don't have a lot of talk through and stuff for the off-roading. It's all old videos. But yeah, this is started as stock, did some little modifications, only tires and a winch and hood latch and stuff. Tons of fun, it was a blast. Just going to put a bunch of clips over a song my friends played in a band. So enjoy.
For what it's worth, I don't carry it. I let go, moved on, found better days. I'm not mad, I'm not sad, I'm not glad. I'm just on to a new day, and it's looking so much better these days. There's always something on my mind, but I never know how to say it. When it's killing me to think about all that you'll never know. And maybe someday we could sit and talk this over, but I wouldn't count on it because I like it how it is. So I'll let the sun go down on you, and I hope you will finally see it's not your fault we tried, but we can't help. You're all alone and don't like the outcome. We can't save you from yourself, and I know if we even tried to, that you would never listen. Never cared about anyone other than yourself. And we've written up more for less, and I know you know it, so just know how easy it will be to let you go just like the rest. I'll let the sun go down on you, and I hope you will finally see it's not your fault we tried, but we can't help. You're all alone and don't like the outcome. We can't save you from yourself. It takes time, but I know we'll be alright. It takes time, everything is gonna be fine. It takes time, but I know we'll be alright. It takes time, but I know we don't need this. Let the sun go down on you, and I hope you will finally see it's not your fault we tried, but we can't help. You're all alone and don't like the outcome. We can't save you from yourself.
Yeah, so we beat the crap out of it a lot. So we have to fix it a lot. So that's what a couple of videos will be on. Coming up, so hopefully you'll like, subscribe, tune in. Thanks for watching.